Hey guys, my name's Shawna. Welcome back to Mom Likely's 12 Days of Christmas videos. So this mess here you just seen in the previous clip was a couple days before Thanksgiving. We actually tore up our floor and we installed new kitchen flooring. So I will show it at the end and you'll see it throughout the video too. So I'm just really glad to be able to decorate in general because our kitchen has been a work in progress for a couple years now, but just this past couple weeks has been pretty crazy because we just, you know, basically took apart the floor. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to get everything all cleaned up and nice and shiny and ready, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull out the decorations, and I'm going to do each little section at a time. I don't want to talk throughout the whole video, so as we get going further I'll tell you more about some of the things. Some things I picked up at Target and some from Dollar Tree, and most of the things we already had on hand. So I'm going to serve up this serious motivation and get everybody ready for the Christmas festivities. Okay, so here I have this string of lights. I got these string of lights at Dollar Tree. It's really short. It was perfect for this little sink ledge, and I just plugged it in behind my fridge. I also added some tinsel from the Dollar Tree on top of that, and those other little white trees that you see and this greenery tree are all from Dollar Tree, and that wooden sign is from the Target Dollar Spot. And then to add extra to that, some things I had on hand are some old ornaments and some jingle bells. Okay, so next I'm headed over to my favorite little area, and this is my coffee spot. So that silver tray that you see there, that's from Dollar Tree. And so what I like to do now that I've been doing switching out the seasons, since I've discovered these 3M command hooks, is I've been using little picture frames like this without backs on them to add like seasonal little images in there and whatnot, and then I stick them on my wall next to my coffee area. So for this one I printed out like a cute buffalo check print because I have this sprinkled all throughout every little section in my decorated areas, so I thought it'd be a really cute way to tie that in. And then I added a second little piece of paper on top of that that says Hello Winter, and I just taped that on there. I didn't even use two-sided tape, I just actually flipped the tape on itself and set it on. What I really love about this kind of frame is actually that the glass snaps in from the front too, so I don't have to use those extra little clip things that stick out in the back. So making these little seasonal frames are so inexpensive, and they're a great way to tie in to seasonal decor, especially for trendy type prints and things like that, where you don't want to run out and spend a ton of money at like a craft store on a piece like this. I made this probably for less than $1. So I just went ahead and stuck that on there with the 3M little sticky hooks that go on the back, and they stay stuck. They work really well. So next in my coffee area, I have this Christmas ornament cookie jar. I picked this up at a thrift shop for around $3, and that vase there, I actually found that on the side of the road and I snagged it right up. So it was free. So I'm going to use that for my K-cups here. And then this little string here is actually a cut of a piece of flannel of my dad's that I kept of his, and I made sure to use the piece that's already has stitching on it right here so that it doesn't completely come apart. So I just tied that twice on there so it's like a cute little accent to tie in to the rest of that buffalo check. And then this little mini cup is a Rae Dunn knockoff from Walmart. I think it was around $1. I added some cute little jingle bells, and as well as this cute little stirring spoon, which was from the thrift shop for 25 cents. Some of these other pieces I already had. These straws are from Dollar Tree though. Okay, so here's our table setup that we have for now. These trees are the girls' trees, and they decorated these with their homemade ornaments from family and a few other ornaments, as well as this little sleigh I got from the Target dollar spot and some extra little trinkets and ornaments that I set out. And here's a few other wall decor pieces that I got from the Target dollar spot, and I have more things over there in the corner which I'll get to later on, but it got really late trying to do this, so this is just a real life of what the house pretty much looks like right now. It's not always like a setup, it's really what's going on, and I'm still decorating. Thank you all for coming along and decorating with me today and cleaning. I hope you get something cleaned, and I hope you got out your decorations so far for the holiday. I really enjoy doing these videos, so please be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite item is that I set out this year, and also if you would like to see any specific videos after this series is over, I'll be sure to write them down to get them out for you guys. So happy holidays, and I'll see you later.